Hey yo, if y'all know your boy, it's your boy Zeph back here. If y'all know who your boy Zeph is, some of y'all call him Pimp Eddie, some of y'all call him Zeffy the Neffy, some of y'all call him Zeffy, you know what I'm saying? But regardless, I got my hat right here, we chilling, we about to get this vlog on, honestly. A lot of dope content, it's about to start getting better, but regardless, guys, I love y'all. Let's get into this dope ass fucking vlog, man. Yeah.
It's alright, I'm a hoe too. Just got a bag of a blow through. I need some space, the O2. And I get the shit that you go through. It's probably my fault if I ghost you. I push away people I'm close with. Or stand on and stand on no shit. Yeah, we took a pic and I posted.
Alright, y'all, I just got off work. Now it's time to get this installed right now. I'm ready to make this car look like a Tesla because this fat ass screen, I already tore the box apart because I wanted to look at what things look like, but let's eat that back there, eat that back, and look at this fat ass screen. Oh my God. Yeah, it's a whole tablet. It's about to go in the car right now. We're going to be replacing this singled in for this big screen. We're gonna be putting it like right there. It's gonna look dope once we're all said and done. I'm gonna start tearing things apart and start getting it in because I'm ready to get this put in and see what it comes out to, because it says don't play video games while driving. So if I can play video games on this, it's gonna be dope. Yep. Look at this. Oh. Well, there goes that. Y'all, so I'm very excited. One, because I got everything all settled. Look at this. All in, all wired up, all that good stuff. If you guys don't know how to wire up a radio, then you shouldn't be wiring a radio to begin with. So second of all, I kind of fast forwarded to getting everything situated like this. It looks clean as hell. Trying to make the car kind of look like a Tesla. Kind of fun, kind of cool. But yeah, got everything wired in, got it all hooked up. And now the finishing touch is just putting the screen in and seeing how it looks and how everything sounds. Because I'm pretty sure I got everything on point, but it just all comes down to how the car sounds. Time to install the finishing touch. Just slides right in. Look at that, guys. Tesla. Oh my God, Tesla. Oh my God, Tesla. Anyways, old box, bunch of wiring crap, new screen. We are lit. Thumbs up. Let's turn the car on and see what it looks like. Accessory. We should actually remove this now. Oh, hell yeah. Tesla in this bit. Oh my God. Would highly recommend. Turn the music down so we don't get copyrighted, but highly recommend. It looks dope. I'm gonna get my dad's reaction real quick, see how he thinks of what this system looks like. Hey, yo, it looks sick.
Yo! Oh, that's cool. Oh, it's a vibe.
Heck yeah.
Now you know when you get arrested and where you're gonna be.
Padre, it looks so dope.
That's actually cool.
Yeah. It does. I like it. Yeah, it's kind of sick. Oh shit. Jeep status. What you know about it?
Oh God, bro, I'm about to go rock climbing.
Yeah, boy. Bumper on. Yes, sir. You already know. Yeah, this thing's disappearing today. That's what we're doing.
I am the elote man.
So she is broken, guys. As you see, we have to drop her off, get her suspension work. She's probably gonna go to the scrapyard after this launch. So as of right now, getting this car basically put back together, I just raised up the coilover. It's about 0.75 of an inch. And we're putting bigger spacers on so that the wheels look a little bit better. But we're doing that as of right now, just to get ready for this beat, if you know what I'm saying. So I'm gonna put this car back together and then we're gonna clean up and get ready to go. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie, I think it's about time I get back up in the car community, so that's what we're doing today. I think it's about time we get out to a meet. We gotta drive out, get out, let's go.
my boy Zeph here got my shit, but it's okay because it's been a work in progress for the longest.
No, like,
And
this
I'm
man got a
happy to
new
see
car. He's got a Mercedes now. It's just
Yep, it's the 2.6 liter V6. It's nothing. It's all-wheel drive. It drift a little bit.
But the 4-cylinder turbo got him.
Oh, cuz your shit pull.
It pull, bro?
Your shit pull. No, hold
It
on.
pull.
Oh, say less. Say less. Don't disclose too much, but look, cuz shit pull.
It pull.
That shit gonna go.
Oh my god, it's gonna go. Oh my
On the
god.
lows?
Oh my god.
On the
Oh
lows
my-
or on the highs? Either or.
Oh my god, he say
That shit gonna go, right?
that shit gonna go, bro.
That right? That shit gonna go?
That shit gonna go.
That shit
bro.
gonna
Yeah, that shit
go.
gonna go.
Let's
What?
go. We gotta go.
Okay.
We're going in the crib. So this is my house, NTV Cribs. Welcome.
Oh.
I almost hit that track. We over here talking about the mango tree. Whoa, 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 whoa. You're on the show. I don't think you did.
I just broke that back, bitch.
Oh, wow. Whoa, he said he broke that fucking back.
What the fuck are we pulling up to, my boy? What the fuck?
It's the invisible me.
It's the invisible.
We gotta find the button in the car to.
Oh
on,
shit.
And then the whole thing turns invisible, and then we see the entire me. Like, look, he's about to do it too. Look, he's parking up. He's about to do it. Hey. It's the invisible me. You gotta find the switch in your car, and it turns your whole car invisible and us, and then we see the me. So you gotta find the switch in your car, and it turns your car invisible, and then you see the whole me. Everybody's here, but it's invisible. So we gotta make ourselves invisible in order to see everybody else. You feel me?
Did you catch on?
Did you catch all that? So we're at the meet, but it's all invisible. So you gotta find the switch in your car to make it. Yeah.
Hell yeah, invisible car meet. What y'all know about that? I gotta turn my car off. What the fuck?
I did a cartwheel. I thought I could do it, but I didn't do that very well.
Why?
I thought I could do it.
Why did?
Cartwheel? You want that? Just you do it?
Yeah, just throw your body in
I
front of
did,
yourself.
and then I fucking.
I feel it here.
Like
I didn't even catch that, bro.
it was like a drift. I like oversteered. Yeah, see, I can't do it that. Like, whoa, the wind.
Take off your shirt!
What?
Take off your shirt!
Bro, what is going on, bro? She wants to see your abs, my boy.
I ain't got none, bro. I lost them.
She wants to see your abs,
I
my boy.
lost them.
For real. I don't have any, bro.
You got something.
I don't got shit.
I'm down.
Where'd it come from, bro?
From the down.
Bro, why'd your car look so sexy, dog?
Yo, like, honestly a big turd.
Oh my god.
Are we all just taking our shirts off now? Like, do we all do it?
Oh, yes. I guess we're just hopping on top of our cars too now, bro.
We're filming.
But I just got word that the cops did shut this meet down, and that's why we're the only ones here. But, sheesh.
Dude,
Got
I need to
350.
vlog too, but my phone's dead, so I can't vlog today.
You can't vlog, bro?
Sorry, viewers.
Woo. I don't know. I think I'm gonna become a live streamer. I'm gonna show my titties here and there.
Next big YouTuber right now.
You gotta pay. You gotta pay for double D's. You gotta spend double dollars if you want to see double D.
Oh yeah, you got $100.
Double dollars for double D. Double D.
I bet your ass I can do it.
Yeah, probably. Maybe not actually.
Automatic VQs. Gay.
Dude, what are we doing?
I don't know, but
I'm down to do anything.
oh, you're down to do anything.
Whoa.
Oh, you're down to do anything.
Far.
Turned his back to me and everything. Oh my god.
Whoa, you already did it to Anthony, so we can't do it to me too, you feel me? That's
Yeah,
just not how it works.
Hey, where you at, cut?
Where you at,
Where you at,
cuz?
cut?
Where you at, bro?
Where you at, cut?
Where you at, bro?
Phone like that.
Listen.
Nah, you can't be disrespecting your cellular device like
I
that,
just
bro.
bought it 3 days ago, and I ran it
3
over.
days, it's a baby.
I ran it over
Yeah,
today
let's see
with
this
the
shit.
No, this is
Oh my god, that shit broke
Just
into.
abusing kids, bro.
I ran it over with a pallet
You had it for
jack.
3 days?
Yeah, I
What?
ran it over with a pallet jack.
Bro, child abuse at its finest.
On me,
Chris.
on me, bro.
What?
On me.
3-day-old phone?
Bro, it was a
It
fucking
just came
accident,
out the
bro.
You
package.
even name it yet, bro? You even name her yet? You ain't even name her yet? God Bro, just disrespectful.
Dude, it was an accident.
You didn't even stand a chance,
I still
cuz.
got this one.
You didn't even give him a chance, cuz.
Bro, just because it was an accident
I
doesn't
know
mean you
who's
fuck
gonna
it up
come to
like
main
that.
event.
Damn, so if I run over my kid with a car, it's an accident, bro.
Dude, I'm gonna.
Oh, yeah, turn on the jet, cuz. Turn on the jet.
Airplane mode.
Look, get on the vlog what I'm doing right now. Look at, this is how we, this is what we're on tonight.
See, it ain't broken in the back, though. It ain't broken in the back,
she
though.
opened it.
Yeah, it ain't broken in the back, though, bro. Front door.
Oh my
Front door
god,
open.
what is going to happen?
Front door open.
Wait.
Oh, the
that's
normal
no
female
excuse.
shit,
Yeah, that's
bro.
no excuse.
He's on that shit right now, bro.
He's on.
He's on that shit, bro.
Look, we're on
What
that.
is this, bro?
What is it? My birthmark?
Oh yeah, I thought it was a hickey, dog.
What does it look like? China? Texas?
Africa?
Africa.
Because it's brown.
I'm gonna get naked.
Oh, you're gonna get naked right now?
I'm about to monetize your video for YouTube.
I think it's gonna demonetize my video right now. Show us that ass.
All right. Gotta take all that line.
I think your homeboy is constipated, bro.
This is all I see on the corner of Mesa. Those are like,
Age, bro, like 20 something, like.
but dude, they be like back then. Like, oh.
Soul left their body, bro.
Like, what the fuck is that?
I don't even go to church, but call the pastor, bro. They be like, you ain't in the view that pretty up there, bro. No way. The stars look that nice, bro. It's daytime. It is daytime, bro. Ain't no stars like you looking like this. Like, gotta loosen up.
You're all like,
I am loose.
Are you loose?
Dude,
You're
my thumb
loose.
is fucked.
You thumb Warren too much,
No,
bro.
maybe you
Stop
can do
beefing
something.
with other
No.
thumbs, Caleb.
No, I think you might be able to help me. Do you know how to
What you got?
So I
You got
might,
carpal tunnel.
I might be getting the start of arthritis. I don't know.
Fuck! All right, what you need, cuz?
But look, okay, so
All right, look, hold your hand out.
this hand, right?
I'm gonna
Normal.
slap the shit
No,
out of
hold
you.
on. Look, this hand normal, right? I can bend it down like this normally, like if I was gonna pop it. But this one, the moment I try to do that, it's in all this joints and everything, all right here.
Tell your thumb to
is
stop
in
being a
pain.
bitch.
Well, I can't.
Yes, you can, bro. Mind over fucking matter, cuz.
It feels like it needs to pop so bad, but it won't.
So what am I supposed to tell my broken pinky to fuck off or what?
Yeah.
Okay, would you break it? Break it?
You see my fucking knuckle, it ain't going back to where it used to be.
I mean, your pinky kind of look deformed like mine. Though, you know.
So what am I supposed to do about that?
Weed though, so like that'd be my advice, bro. That'd be my grade A advice. See, look then, though. Look. All right. So I know a dude in Asia. He in my homeland of Japan, bro. He do acupuncture and shit. You okay with being stabbed? Oh look, I got teas.
I don't go. Fuck the hospitals. Fuck them.
Okay, I don't go to the hospital either, bro. You like tea?
Yeah, I love tea.
Okay, I got some pain reliever tea, bro.
I actually put on my stems and made some tea. That
Okay,
way
there
too.
you go, bro. Tea time is always good for
time.
the soul, bro. Tea time, bro. Like, you feel me? I don't golf, bro, but it's tea time. I'll still go pop golf. Tea time, bro. Other than that, I don't know, finger bang the fucking pain away. Though, actually, like, for serious. Oh, bro, what?
Let's see. What will we do? The question of a lifetime.
What's the status update?
Status
What will
update,
we
she's
do?
playing with this man soul.
She says, what will we do, bro? She wants an agenda. You gotta send her a blueprint, bro.
Dude,
Send her a syllabus,
We're
bro.
gonna go to main event and then we're gonna become the main
Yeah,
event.
bro, we're gonna be the main event there at main event, bro. What the fuck you mean, bro? Bowling, arcade.
You're gonna get down with me on the racing games, yeah?
RKO. on that
Yeah.
bitch. RKO. You gotta hit her with the whammy. Hell yeah. Whammy.
Wait, calm down. It's not the time for that. See, look. If shit pop off, though.
I heard shit pop
Stay
off.
ready, don't get ready, bro.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh my god.
I said, just give me time. She said, where am I going? She bowed it.
What did you tell this?
I said, shorty, you look fine. We chilling. And then she said, where am I going? Honestly, if there's any females out there, I'm desperate and lonely. I haven't had a girlfriend in like 5 years, and come hug me. I just need someone to touch me. That's a complete lie. I'm desperate too. We pull bitches every day.